Hello guys, today I will show you how to purchase a domain from Namecheap. As you can see, I have $2.86 on my balance. So I will purchase a domain within this amount. So you can check promos, domain, then view more. Okay. I just clicked on check out more domain. So here is offered domain. You can choose your desired extension. So I will click show more dot store. This extension I will purchase this extension. So this domain price 0.98. You can go domains, then domain name search. Here I will search with my extension .store. So first of all, I will find my domain name Shakil unique. Then .store. You can type here .com, .net, .info, or whatever you want to purchase. So I'll purchase .store domain. That's why I am choosing this shakilunique.store. Then I will click search button. Domain name is searching. Okay, shakilunique.store is available and one per customer. অর্থাৎ এটা this is an offered domain. Namecheap gave me only one per customer, only one domain extension I can purchase if this is an offered domain. So this is a deal domain and offered domain. That's why Namecheap gave me one per customer. Okay, this domain renewal charge is $35. Too much. Okay, no worries. I will click add to cart. Then you can see you can view your item, or you can click directly checkout. After that I will hide auto renew. Then confirm order. Okay, here is payment method. You can add your card, or if you have balanced on Namecheap like I have $2.86, then I will choose my account funds. I will pay from my account funds, or you can add PayPal or MasterCard. So here is account fund. Here I select account fund, then I will click continue. Okay, then click on pay now. They are processing my order. Okay, thank you for your purchase. You will get an email also. Here is payment details.